Hi, I'm Anastasia. In today's video, I will show you why having nails for 2 months without infill is bad and dangerous for your nails. So I will show you how to fix it and turn it into this. If it sounds interesting to you, keep watching. So I have this client, her nails outgrown, as you can see, at almost half of the length of her nail plate, and let's take a look. The nail is basically holding at a small part of the free edge and it's almost lifted completely. So now I will show you how to remove it. One way is to use nail tip glue, glue the nail back and then remove it, and also there's a different way. So take a look how I'm holding the nail with the left hand very tight, and I'm sorry I cannot show you the bigger picture, but I need to hold it very tight so she will not feel any pain or vibration. So I hold the entire nail with my left hand while I'm filing off the product with my right hand, and she doesn't feel any pain or discomfort, and all we need to do is to remove the length and the upper layer, and then it will be simply removed because it's almost completely lifted. So I'm filing off the free edge and that's it. It jumped out by itself. So then we need to remove the product from other nails as well. So then I'm doing the prep of the natural nails, push back the cuticle and remove the old product. And this thumb, as you can see, it is extremely damaged, and these white lines, those are separated layers of the natural nail plate, but unfortunately we need to carefully file them off because these layers, they're already separated. And by leaving it like this, we will simply provoke more lifting. We cannot save them and glue them back together. All we need to do is just patiently wait until the nail grows back again. So I'm using a very light 180 grit file, and with a super light touch, without any pressure, I'm removing it. So now you see that the nail looks better, and you also notice that the yellow color, it happened because this lifting was there for a while. So oranges, water, something might get into it. Then I push back the cuticle, and today I will be working with a new product from me, Valentino. So I have Butterlicious powder, which is light one, Glamorous Nude, which looks like a light peach nude, and Perfect Nude, which looks darker and is more peachy. Also we have a Hidden Pleasure, which looks like a gorgeous sparkling powder. I also have Valentino brush number 8 and a monomer. So I'm all set, and then I will prep the nail. Well, I already did. Applied the foam, then I applied dehydrator and primer and start the application. So the first color is Butterlicious, the lightest one, and I just start the application. And oh my god, I am definitely a very extreme person because I am trying this product for the very first time in my life, I swear, and I had a break from doing acrylic for almost 3 weeks now, and I'm doing it all on camera. So I mean, my application might not be perfect on this nail. So my very first impression is that product feels good, but I definitely feel a little uncomfortable with this brush because even though it's number 8, it's definitely larger than all the brushes I worked before, so I'm have to get used to it. I definitely should use less monomer or just work with the larger beads, and I decided to do the application all the way to the cuticle just because I want to test this product and we'll see how it lasts. And this color, as you can see, it's rather light and will probably work for a very light skin tones, but honestly I like it, and I'll tell you more, I like it on a darker skin tones or on a dark skin. I think it will look gorgeous. It's like very girly, light, whitish pink. It's nice. So I'm adding additional beads and stretching them all over. So it's medium time setting. I can't say it's too fast, but if you want to remove the form, then you need to wait for a while, which is actually not a problem because you have other nails to do while you're waiting. So then I pinch the nail and we go right to the next one. So on the middle finger we will be trying the next color, which is Glamorous Nude. I already applied hydrator and primer and then start the application. Okay, so second time application feels way better. I definitely adjusted a bit to the brush and to the product, and the color looks nice actually. I think it will fit the skin tone of this client. It's like medium tone natural, something between peach and pink, and yeah, I definitely like how it works and how it stretches, and the color looks pretty intense. As you can see, the natural nail line is already hidden, it's already camouflaged, so I don't think that you will experience any problems with this product. So usually near the cuticle I use semi-translucent pink, but I'm not going to do it this time. I just want to see how it will last. Remove the form and pinch it, and then I'm doing the pinky. So on index finger I already did the Perfect Nude, which is slightly darker, but it looks a lot the same on the camera. And for the pinky I'm using the Hidden Pleasure, which might look like a glitter, but it is actually like a small, tiny, thin part of the foil. And the color, it's like peachy, yellow, golden. So I think it will look nice as the ombre, as French fade. I think it will look good not only as a one-tone application. As all glitter powders, they work pretty slow, so you need to be a little patient here or just use less monomer, but still the setting time will be way longer than for the other powders, so don't rush, just take your time working and playing with this beautiful glitter. And honestly, I still don't feel safe doing the application near the cuticle with glitter, so I decided to use a translucent pink by Valentino as well, and I will add a little on the apex with the clear powder just to add some volume and apex. And also I want to speed up the process a little bit because it really feels and seems like this powder is setting for too long. So then I stretch the product, wait for a little while, and then we can remove the form and pinch it again. Then we file the nails, and this is the result without the top coat. So on the left is middle finger and it's made with Glamorous Nude, and on the right it's ring finger made with Perfect Nude. And it took me a while to set up the camera so you guys see the difference, because even in real life they're very close, but I think you can see it, right? The left one is lighter and works best for the skin tone of this client. It's like medium nude, and the right one is slightly darker, so it will work perfect for tan skin and for darker skin tones. Let me guys know what do you think. And we did index finger with Butterlicious. It's the lightest color. I think it will work nice for super white pale skin tones, as well as just if a client wants some light color. It doesn't even look pink, it's more like very light white beige. This is how colors look all together, and I'm sorry I don't have a shot with a top coat on it because after that we did the design. And if you're curious what kind of design, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss it. Wait, I almost forgot. Also, I tried a baby boomer on the thumb. And oh my god, guys, these colors blend together perfectly. And if you would like to see these tutorials, also do not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!